नमस्ते चेतन सर।
नमस्कार।
मैं पंक्ति हूँ एंड आज हमारे साथ है चेतन वर्मा जी, जो स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी टेंट सिटी 1 के ऑपरेशंस हेड है। आज हम उनसे डिस्कस करेंगे ये जगह के बारे में। सर, आप टेंट सिटी 1 के बारे में हमें थोड़ा बताइए।
बेसिकली दिस इज स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी टेंट सिटी 1, जो कि करीबन लाइक 2019 में 23rd of October 2019 में we started again. You must have seen the transformation to the tents what we have done. जो हमने
यस।
ट्रांसफॉर्म करा है इस प्रॉपर्टी को to a permanent structure. You
हम्म।
can experience it by seeing it what we had treated it and how well it had come up.
यस।
It is just a creativity which has been done and decided by our management, which had come up very well.
ओके सर, आप हमें थोड़ा डिटेल में ये बताइए कि यहाँ पे कितने टेंट्स हैं एंड ये कितने स्क्वायर फीट में बना है।
The entire area of this tent city 1 is to approximately 2.2 hectare, which is equivalent to 5.5 acre of land.
ओके।
We have 58 tents altogether,
ओके।
जिसमें कि हमारा प्रेसिडेंशियल विला 1 है, रॉयल विला 2 है, और जो रॉयल कॉटेजेस हैं दैट इज समवेयर अराउंड 14, and rest all are premium tents.
ओके।
Every cluster, these tents are being divided into 3 clusters, and every cluster has their own USP which is facing towards Narmada.
ओके।
And moreover, every cluster has the there is a garden which is very well connected to the nature. You can see it accordingly. The B cluster has the swimming pool and C cluster has the amphitheater.
यस।
बाकी हमारे पास 3 टेंट ऐसे हैं जिसमें कि हमारा पूरा बुलेट प्रूफ वॉल लगाया हुआ है,
ओके।
एंड विच इज बीन डन विद आर्ट वर्क ऑल्सो.
ओके।
दोज आर रॉयल विला एंड प्रेसिडेंशियल विला.
ओके सर। सर, यहाँ पे अगर गेस्ट स्टे करते हैं तो अकोमोडेशन के अलावा आप लोगों की साइड से और क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज़ रहती है?
वी नॉर्मली टेक देम टू द अट्रैक्शन पॉइंट्स जो भी लोकल केवड़िया में अवेलेबल है, जैसे स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी है अपना, और डैम व्यू पॉइंट है अपना, वैली ऑफ फ्लावर है, एंड देयर आर मेनी मोर अट्रैक्शन पॉइंट्स. इफ अ गेस्ट willing to stay for 2 nights, that will be a add-on part for him because he can experience the entire केवड़िया. एंड मोर ओवर जो हमारा इन हाउस एक्टिविटीज़ है वो भी काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव है, जिसमें कि हम इंडोर गेम्स हैं विच इज़ टेबल टेनिस, बैडमिंटन, वी हैव कैरम, वी हैव चेस, लूडो, आर्चरी, वी हैव डार्ट. सो दोज थिंग्स आर अवेलेबल इन हाउस. And of course, recently we had introduced cycling.
Okay.
In the morning, they can, like, guests can enjoy cycling in house, as well as they can go to the nearby
Places.
points where they can click some good pictures and have a good view of the area.
ओके सर। एंड सर, रिसेंटली आप लोगों ने एक मॉर्निंग ट्रैक भी लॉन्च किया है जो पर्सनली मैंने कल एक्सपीरियंस किया,
जी.
तो वो मुझे अच्छा लगा। आप उसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
ये बेसिकली करीबन लाइक इट इज़ वेरी नियर टू आवर प्लेस, जो टेंट सिटी 1 के पास में ही है.
ओके।
और दिस वाज बीन experienced by me and my team self, and then we decided to have a optional tour, like in case guests are interested and they are willing to have that adventure, so definitely they can experience it. And it is totally a forest walk.
Yes.
We climb to the mountain and experience good, and we go to a peak of the mountain and click few pictures, which is amazing. We can also see statue from there.
Yes.
We can see statue from there. थोड़ा सा दिखता है वहाँ
हाँ,
से.
थोड़ा सा दिखता
Being
है।
the distance, थोड़ा सा like the visibility not doesn't seems good, but yes.
यस,
we can
दिखता
see
है।
the
एंड
statue, yes.
पर्सनली मैंने कल एक्सपीरियंस किया,
Yes,
तो
yes.
अमेजिंग
And
अमेजिंग।
moreover, it has a temple, so the entire morning
Yes.
fulfills to a positive note.
Yeah.
That it starts with a positive note, positive energy when we reach up to the peak and you see a temple.
Yes.
And that is also a good part for climbing
Right,
and
right.
having a nature walk.
Okay, so sir, next question is, what are the precautions your team is taking in this COVID-19 situation? As on a personal note, I feel very safe here. I can say, if someone is, worried about their safety in this situation, I feel myself 100% safe here. So, what are your views on the same?
Like, it is a sad part that India is experiencing COVID-19,
Right.
and it is equivalent to a disaster to many people actually. It has been disturbing the peace of the people,
Hmm.
and but somehow we need to restart ourselves and come out to work to fulfill our needs. So we had restarted this property by as per the government law what they had instructed to us.
Hmm.
And from the start itself we have a thermal gun, like
Okay.
thermal temperature is being taken care.
Yes.
We assure that the guest should have Arogya Setu app installed,
Right.
and then the sanitizer process is there. We had installed the sanitizer station on different clusters also, and in the passage
Right.
also, to assure that guests should be like have these facility around while walking also. And we have a baggage sanitization process. After that we assure that every measures are being taken till the time the guest checks out. We also do the sanitization twice in a day, in the
Okay.
morning and the evening, to assure that high touch points are being very well sanitized and properly be safe. We assure that guests should be safe here. And if you see how our tents are being located,
Hmm.
you can really be comfortable staying here.
यस, यस। सर, मैंने यहाँ पे देखा कि आइसोलेशन रूम है, तो
जी,
वो किस लिए बना है?
well, basically if we see any of the guests who during the arrival he is uncomfortable with the temperature, for the
Okay.
emergency need we had placed it.
ओके।
However, it is like in case such guest comes in, so we normally have to assure that the authorities are being informed, and the guest should declare it. He should be safe enough. We have a self-declaration form. But somehow, in case we feel that guest is somehow uncomfortable with things, we had placed 2 isolation tents so that like they are also being well taken care.
Okay, sir. That's a good thing.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sir, what is your message for the, viewers of this video? Short message.
I can only say that do come to this property, experience this property, have connected with the nature, and of course Statue of Unity जो बना है 182 meters का, also experience it. It is incredible to see this, and we are serving at our best and to take care. I assure that you would be safe and secure in all aspects. Welcome to Tent City. We are already ready actually. So I hope the message should reach to as maximum as it can.
Sure,
And
sir.
I welcome everyone.
Definitely, sir.
Namaste.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.